We're back on the record in cause number 323892, the state of Texas versus Derek W. Howard. Mr. Howard, would you please come forward? Okay, Ms. Musgrove, the court has some other matters, and we was going to give Mr. Lawrence and yourself the time you need to address all of these motions. Looking at the time, we won't be able to address them all today. So this is what the court will suggest. Now the case is going to reset the hearing, and the court will suggest that maybe uh, you can go through the motions, and Ms. Musgrove, you can get with Mr. Lawrence, whatever y'all agree to, those motions you can announce to the court that you agree. All right.
Okay.
And we'll just put on the record that whatever those motions are. Now, the motions that you don't agree to, then those will be the matters that we will hear. Now, I also will know for the record that some of these motions are somewhat premature. For example, a motion for an instructed verdict. We don't hear that until the state has rested its case. Okay, so that's right. To hear that matter right now will be inappropriate because it's untimely, right? And so there are some other matters that's in these motions that probably should be heard during trial or right before trial. And so we need to separate those out from all of these other motions that's been filed. And then so whatever y'all can agree to, then we'll just put that on the record. And the ones that's obviously matters that should be heard on the day of trial or during trial, then those motions will be taken out as well, and they will be heard at the appropriate time.
Good.
And then the other matters that you do not agree on, that are actually pre-trial motions, we can set times to hear those motions. Now, Ms. Musgrove, do you have any objections to the court proceeding like that with these motions?
No objection, Your Honor.
Mr. Lawrence?
No, Your Honor, that's fine.
Okay, and so that's what we're going to do now. What we're going to have to do is let's get with our we get with the court coordinator. She's going to come in, and so that I can give you a time so we can hear the next set of motions. And the reason why I say the next set of motions is because I don't know if we're going to have enough time to go through all of the next set of motions on one day.
I'm sure.
Okay. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna do that. We're gonna be in recess, and in this case, these pre-trial motions, the motions are going to be reset. We're gonna give you a time to so we can properly address these motions.
I just hope it's a warm day, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. So at this time, so this case will be in recess, and we're gonna reset the case. Now, Ms.